Tom Schock will do anything to get you to listen to Fred FM.
Hi, I'm Tom Schock from The Morning Show. I'll do anything to get you to listen to Fred FM, including becoming the human blizzard. We're at Dairy Queen, and this is the Tom Blizzard.
That is the stuff.
Jump? Yep. I don't know how I'm going to get out. I'll get you out.
I mean, anything.
Ooh. Oh, dude.
Ice cream on top of Tom's head.
How about peanut butter?
Peanut butter. Oh, yeah. That is
Who wants to throw peanuts?
I know.
Holy shit, peanuts out. That might dig in.
Not to eat. Not to eat, guys. Not in the face. Not in the face!
Throw some nuts out.
Wait, we gotta get him back. Throw nuts at Tom. Turn out.
Get him on the back.
Please listen.
This isn't going to end well. This is Knox, Farley, and Tom at DQ on the north side making a Tom Blizzard. Thanks, bud.
Delicious.